In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly import customers into your Shopify store. This is a great way to save time and efficiently manage your customer database, especially if you're moving from another platform or uploading a large contact list. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left side menu and click on Customers. This section is where all your customer information is stored and managed. Inside the Customers page, you will see an Import button near the top of the screen. Click on it to begin the customer import process. Now Shopify will ask you to upload a CSV file containing your customer data. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with details like first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any other customer information you want to include. Click Add File and select the CSV file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, Shopify may show you a preview or basic instructions to confirm everything is organized correctly. After reviewing the file, click Import Customers. Shopify will now process the data and begin importing your customer list into the store. Depending on how many customers you're uploading, this process may take a few moments. Avoid refreshing or closing the page while the import is running. Once the import is complete, you'll see your customers appear in the Customer List section. If Shopify detects any errors, it will usually provide a message explaining what needs to be fixed, such as missing columns or formatting issues in the CSV file. And that's it. You've successfully imported customers into your Shopify store. This simple process can help you organize your audience faster and improve your overall store management. Thanks for watching and happy selling.